This episode of Own the Grey is brought to you by I Am. Discover your unique talents, realize your potential, and align to your path. Take the first step to uncover your life purpose by visiting debrajones.ca/courses. In a world that's constantly on the go, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life. But what if you could find a way to calm your mind, focus your thoughts, and connect with your inner self? Meditation's a powerful tool that can help you achieve just that. Here's a beginner's guide to meditation. In this guide, I'll walk you through the basics of meditation, including how to get started, common challenges, and tips for making it a regular part of your routine. I'll also provide a simple guided meditation to help you get started on your meditation journey. We'll begin with some preparation tips. Find a quiet space. Designate a quiet and comfortable space for meditation where you can sit or lie without distraction. It'll help your mind associate this space with the meditation practice, making it easier to settle into a routine. Set aside a regular time. Commit to a regular meditation practice, ideally at the same time each day. Choose a meditation technique. There are various techniques such as mindfulness meditation, where you focus on the present moment, often through your breath or body sensations. How about a loving kindness meditation, where you focus on sending kindness and compassion to yourself and others? Or a guided meditation. Follow a guided audio or video to lead you through a meditation practice. Well, when you're ready to get started, choose a comfortable position. You can sit in a chair, on a cushion on the floor, or even lie down on your bed. Experiment with different positions to find what works best for you. Close your eyes. Allow yourself to relax and focus inward. Focus on your breath. Bring your attention to your breath, feeling the sensation of the air entering and leaving your nostrils. And when your mind wanders, gently acknowledge the thought and return to your breath without judgment. Here are some tips for beginners. Start small. Begin with short sessions, 5 or 10 minutes, and gradually increase as you become more comfortable with the practice. Be patient. It's normal for your mind to wander. Gently bring your focus back to your breath. And be kind to yourself. Remember that meditation is a practice, and it's okay if your mind wanders. Here are some common challenges. Difficulty quietening the mind. It's common for the mind to wander during meditation, especially when you're just starting out. It's normal. The goal of meditation isn't to achieve a completely blank mind, but to learn to observe your thoughts and emotions without getting caught up in them. The goal isn't to control the thoughts. The goal is to stop the thoughts from controlling you. When your mind starts to wander, try focusing on a physical sensation in your body. This can be a helpful anchor to bring you back to the present moment. You could feel the sensation of your feet touching the ground, the way your breath moves in and out of your body, or what your hands or fingers are touching. Difficulty letting go. Remember, the goal of meditation isn't to control your mind or stop your thoughts completely. Instead, it's about learning to observe them without judgment and allowing them to pass without getting caught up in them. Think of it like a river. The thoughts and emotions are like the water flowing through the river, and you're the observer standing on the riverbank. You can watch the water flow by without getting swept away by it. Or think of it like the clouds. Imagine your thoughts and emotions are like clouds passing by in the sky. Observe your thoughts without judgment, just as you would clouds drifting by. Notice their shape, size, and intensity, but don't get caught up in them. This helps you develop a sense of detachment and freedom, allowing you to move through your meditation practice more easily. Identifying with your thoughts and emotions. When we're meditating, it's easy to get caught up in our thoughts and believe that they are a reflection of ourselves. This can lead to frustration, anxiety, and self-doubt about our ability to effectively meditate. When you notice your mind wandering, try to observe it without judgment. Say to yourself, thinking, or distraction. This helps you acknowledge the thought without getting caught up in it. Remember, the goal is to cultivate awareness and kindness towards yourself and your experience, not to achieve a specific state or stop your thoughts completely. Cultivate a sense of curiosity and openness rather than judgment or resistance. Well, the next steps might be to explore different techniques. So try the various meditation styles to find out what works best for you. And make it a habit. Incorporate meditation into your daily routine, just like brushing your teeth or taking a shower. In these uncertain times, the ability to return to an inner state of calm is a precious gift you give yourself. By committing to a regular meditation practice, you'll be able to reduce stress and anxiety, increase feelings of calm and clarity, enhance your self-awareness and self-acceptance, and cultivate kindness and compassion towards yourself and others. So take a long, slow, deep breath, and let's begin our meditation journey together. Bring your attention to your toes. Feel the sensation of your feet touching the surface beneath you. Notice any sensations, feelings, or thoughts without judgment. Just let them go. Now take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine any tension or stress leaving through your toes. Starting at your feet, we'll be slowly bringing our attention up through the body, focusing on each part as we go. Bring your attention to your feet. Relaxing your ankle, your calf, your knees, relaxing your thighs, your hips, relaxing your lower back, your upper back, relaxing your hands, your arms, relaxing your shoulders, your neck, your head, now bring your attention to your breath. Feel the sensation of the air entering and leaving your nostrils. Notice the sensation of each breath without trying to control it. Allow it to be as it is. As you inhale, imagine fresh, calm energy entering your body. And as you exhale, imagine any tension or stress leaving your body. Now bring to mind a loving kindness phrase, such as, "May I be happy, may I be well, may I be comfortable and at peace." Repeat the phrase to yourself, allowing the words to sink in and fill your body with kindness. May I be happy, may I be well, may I be comfortable and at peace. And as you inhale, imagine this kindness entering your body. And as you exhale, imagine any self-criticism or negativity leaving your body. And take a few deep breaths, feeling the calm and kindness in your body. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and take a moment to notice how you feel before getting up and going about your day. You'll find more meditations like this when you go to bio.link/Deborah Jones. I'll meet you there.